Hello everyone, today I'm doing a Cruella de Vil Halloween look. I took inspiration from this creator, so I will put her details in the description if I can find her. So I'm just doing my base as per usual, using a primer and then mixing foundations to match my tan because I went away, so I have a tan. And then after that I'm just going to do the usual concealer and all that jazz, and then I decided to give my hair a little brush because it was looking a little wild, and after that I'm going in with the cream contour, and for that I'm using a concealer from Primark. This is very old, should probably throw it out. Literally real ones will know from the Primark makeup tutorial. That's how old it is. I'm ashamed, I shouldn't have admitted that. Anyway, setting it all into place with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, because if you're going out for Halloween you don't want it to go anywhere. Then I'm going to use my ye old faithful Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer just to do a little bit more of a bronze, and then get that snatched contour using the Benefit Hula Bronzer just on those areas I want to specifically contour, and just brighten up a little under the eyes, down the face, you know the drill. And then once I have done that, I am going to go into blush. This is the Animal Crossing Colourpop collab, and then I'm just popping that on the places you would usually put your blush. Then I'm going to highlight with the lightest shade in the NYX Born to Glow palette, and I'm just going to pop this very precisely on my cheeks and down the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose as well. Then I'm going to set it all into place with my NYX mattifying setting spray. Moving on to brows, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer pencil, I think that's what it's called, and as my eyebrows are microbladed, I'm just basically following the shape of the tattoo. Then I wanted to make sure they are really defined and bold, because obviously the part of the wig is black, so I want to make sure that we've got that nice defined brow. Moving on to eyes, I am just priming my eyes, and then I'm going into this She Glam palette, which I was very kindly sent to celebrate Pride, and I haven't actually used it yet, and it's a perfect opportunity to get stuck in. So just putting the green over my lid and then using this colour palette. I got this actually when I did a TikTok shop. I was one of the first UK creators to do a TikTok shop, just fun fact for you there. But going in with the green just to deepen up the crease, and then highlighting the brow bone, and then adding a bit of green shimmer to the lid, just basically doing a nice green eye look. And then I started off with a brown pencil, and actually later on I put a dark pencil, like a black, in the waterline, so just to deepen it up. And as you see, just taking the colours under the eyes, highlighting the inner corner, then doing a wing. And the way that I do this with the lash extensions, I just gently bring the lash down using a spoolie, and then I can get to the end of my eyes that way, or the outer corner. Then going in with some mascara, just, you know, the usual, and then we're going to plump up the lips. I've recently discovered this again and I absolutely love it. I don't know why I stopped using it. So I'm just plumping the lips, and once they are nice and plump, I'm going in with a red lip liner and then a red lipstick. So I am overdrawing my lips anyway, just even though they are plumped, I'm going in and I'm overlining them, and then I'm going to do the lip contour trick and then add the lipstick over the top of that as well. So now we've done the pretty stuff, we're going to get into the Halloween stuff. So starting off with the wig, I am actually using this one from INH Hair, which I was very kindly sent, and I have a discount code. If you want to check them out, you can. Getting my hair prepped for the wig, which is much easier, now it's shorter, and I popped the wig on. This was really, really easy to do. I did cut the lace at the front, and then I'm just zhuzhing it up a bit. And I think you can use like heat tools on these as well. I'll double check, but yeah, I love it. The quality is unmatched with these. They really know what they're doing. So now I'm moving on to fake blood. Now this is very old, so I would recommend not doing this because it hurt my eye after using it. So only use fresh fake blood. I'm just putting a drip down the side of my mouth, and then I'm just stippling it a little bit with a makeup brush so that it looks a bit more like a splat of blood. And then I was a little bit more precise when I was coming to the teardrop, and on the other side I was just, well, firstly got the white out of the way. Make sure I protect the wig at all costs because I don't want it to be pink. Then putting this drip of blood in the corner of my, or not in the corner of my eye, but by the corner of my eye, and just adding bits to hopefully get it to drip down. So I just had to build up a little bit of product, and then it eventually did drip down like an actual tear. And then I went into the Vive palette just to add a little bit of depth to that eye because I wanted it to look like I'd been in a fight. I didn't want it to look too perfect, so I kind of just like made that eye a little bit bit darker, and then under the eye as well, and then took a little bit of purple from the She Glam palette just to make it look a little bit more like I'm tired, I've been in a fight with a dog or something. I don't really know what her deal is, but she's been through it. She's been through it. So that is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed. I hope you have a safe Halloween, and comment down below what you are doing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.